Do you ever feel like you don't know what you're doing with your life? Like everyone else is moving forward and you're just stuck. You wake up, go through your day, but deep inside, you feel lost. This feeling is more common than you think, and it's not because you're lazy, it's because you lack direction. When you don't have a clear goal, your mind feels confused, and confusion leads to frustration. But here's the truth. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need a starting point. Pick one thing and give it your full focus, because clarity doesn't come from thinking, it comes from action. The moment you start moving, your path begins to appear. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start and figure it out along the way.